Yeah, so I've been a board member for almost 2 years now, and I've learned a huge amount, both in terms of digital in a different context. So I was a civil servant and now working for the BBC, but broadening that out to wider public services and the work that CDPS does. How they do it, some of the brilliant skills and techniques like trio writing, and it's just a real privilege to be able to work for an organisation that does that work in English and in Welsh and seeking to improve those public services. The CDPS is a reasonably new organisation. As a board, we came in July 2022. So as part of that, we've been kind of doing the normal kind of getting to know each other, but also setting out the strategy for the organisation, seeing through what that looks like and how that changes over time. But yeah, we get on really well. There's that constructive challenge, working with, as the non-exec directors, with the exec team and the SLT. But overall, we want the best for public service users.